Juice WRLD blends his pop-punk-inflected hip-hop with Marshmello's Big Tent EDM on the new song, Come and Go, set to appear on the late rapper's posthumous album, Legends Never Die, out July 10th. The track finds Juice WRLD striving to be a better man over an atmospheric guitar loop that's soon pushed toward the edge by thumping drums. But when the drop arrives, it's a big, ragged guitar riff boosted by handclaps as Juice WRLD sings, "I don't wanna ruin this one, this type of love don't always come and go." On Instagram, Marshmello shared a short statement about the song, calling Juice WRLD one of the most talented people I have ever met. He continued, "We were both constantly on the same page when it came to music, and the times we spent together were some of the most exciting times I've ever had in my entire life. Watching you take breaks to do wheelies on your dirt bike and then come back and finish a whole song in one take was normal, and to be able to be on this album with you and show the world what we made together means so much to me. You were a great person and I miss you every day, man. You will live forever through your music." Come and Go follows previously released Legends Never Die tracks, Life's a Mess, featuring Halsey, Tell Me You Love Me, featuring Trippie Redd and Righteous.